Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here, and today I'm sharing with you a simple Dollar Tree DIY for your bathroom. All you'll need to pick up for this simple DIY is a set of 2 cutting boards from the Dollar Tree. Once you get your cutting boards home, go ahead and give them a quick sand. You could do this just as easily with a little bit of sandpaper and some elbow grease. For my signs, I wanted a slightly darker stain, so I pulled out some I already had on hand and gave them a quick coat of stain. For my boy and girl images, I Googled bathroom signs and played around with my computer and printer till I had just the right size. The rest of the process is a breeze. First off, make sure that your cutting board is completely dry. Next up, go ahead and cut your images out before using a pencil to trace them onto your cutting board. And now it's time to paint. This is super simple since the only thing you have to do is stay within your pencil lines. I chose to use a black acrylic paint, but you could always switch it up with white or any other color you wanted to make pop in your bathroom. Once you've finished your first image, go ahead and repeat the process for image number 2. For the border, I used a scrap piece of paper to trace a frame around all edges of the cutting board. Once you've traced your border, just fill it in with paint. Once your paint has completely dried, they're ready to put to use. Now, if you wanted to hang them, you could use toppers from aluminum cans. Just make sure your paint is dry, flip them over, give them a little bit of a curved bend, and hot glue them into place. Now they're ready to hang in your bathroom. I chose to make one boy and one girl, but you could do one for each member of your family. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy Dollar Tree DIY for your bathroom. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.